Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon. This time we're going to draw Oshawott. Let's start by drawing his oval head, and starting at the top. And we'll stop right there for now. Let's continue this top part here just a little bit further. And then over here then will be his left ear. We'll interrupt this line with a slight curve for the bottom of the ear, and it's basically a soft cornered triangle. And we'll draw the right ear over here. Same thing, just go up and back down. We can now continue the right side of his head here and start heading back. Alright, so his fur kind of sticks up over his face in these round shapes, so let's just draw a partial oval right there, and then on the other side then it'll be kind of underneath, so let's just draw it over here, again a partial oval. So then over here will be his arm, so let's just draw the base of it first, a curve, and then two longer curved lines that meet at the end, and that'll be his left arm. And we'll do the same on the other side. Let's say the end of the arm is right here, so let's just draw a gentle curve back, and the other side of the arm heading back towards the face. Next we'll draw the body, which will curve down this way and over to the arm. So from here, underneath this fur, this clump of fur, will go down and start heading over to that other arm. And now we can continue this behind the arm over to the head. He carries this shell-like thing on his belly, so let's just draw an oval. This is a foreshortened oval, and it's gonna kind of hide underneath here, and just a couple lines for details. And now we can draw his feet, which will be sticking out right under here, and again another oval and a couple lines to separate the three toes. And we can barely see the other foot right here, so let's just draw it right under the belly, and again couple lines. So finally we can draw his paddle-like tail, so it's going to stick out right behind his arm, kind of a soft cornered rectangle, although it's going to taper in a little bit towards the body. Alright, so let's draw the head. The head is rotated slightly to the left, so the center line of the face would be right here. So right here then would be the nose. Let's draw an oval. And then the eyes. Let's draw his left eye first. Kind of teardrop shaped oval. And let's draw the highlight at the top, and this part will be black. Let's draw the other eye right here, and this one will be a little bit foreshortened, so not quite as wide of an oval or teardrop shape. And again the highlight, and let me just go ahead and darken that eye now. Let's draw the mouth, which is a triangle, soft angled triangle. Here's the top, go down, and then this will be more of an angle this way to the other corner of the mouth, and just a line that sort of parallels the chin. Let's draw the tongue, which is right here. Just draw a line. This will be the back of the mouth, and he also has these two teeth, obviously only seen when his mouth is open. Just a couple triangles, and I'll go ahead and darken the back of the mouth. Next will be the freckles on his face, and I'll just draw 3 dots on either side. Next I'm going to draw some shadow lines which separate the light areas of his body parts from the shaded areas. And finally, I'm gonna stylize some of the outlines. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This was Oshawott, a pretty easy Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.